Question number 18. Find the number of non-zero integral solutions of the equation 1 minus I to the power x equals 2 to the power x. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல மாடுலஸ் சிம்பிள் கொடுத்திருக்கு. So மாடுலஸ் கொடுத்தா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Square root of 1 square plus minus 1 the whole square. Imaginary part என்ன? Minus 1. If this 2 the power x is 2 to the power x. So I have 1 plus 1 to the power x is 2 to the power x. This is root 2 to the power x equals 2 to the power x. Root 2 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 2 to the power half னு எழுதலாமா? So I have 2 to the power half to the power x equals 2 to the power x. So 2 to the power x by 2 equals 2 to the power x. X யும் 1 by 2 யும் multiply பண்ணலாம். So since the bases are equal, equate the powers. This you've learned in your lower classes. Correct? So base equal இருந்தா powers equate பண்ணலாம். So which means x by 2 equals x. இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்தா x by 2 minus x equals 0. x யும் cancel பண்ணிடக்கூடாது, இல்லாட்டி சொல்யூஷனே வராது. So you have to bring your x to your left hand side. So இப்போ x common எடுத்தா I have 1 by 2 minus 1 equals 0. So x equals 0. You need to have your x in the equation to find the value of x. So x oda value 0. Okay? Don't cancel x and x. அப்படி இல்லாட்டி 1 by 2 equals 1 னு வரும். அப்படினா nothing. You don't have any meaning to that. So always bring your x to the left hand side illa right hand side, however you are convenient. அப்புறம் காமனா எடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் x is 0. So this is the solution. This is the only solution in the question ku. Okay? Question number 19. If a plus ib times c plus id times e plus if times g plus ih இத்தனை complex numbers equals capital A plus I capital B, show that a square plus b square times c square plus d square times e square plus f square times g square plus h square equals a square plus b square. So இங்க என்ன தெரியுது? They have actually taken the modulus of the whole equation. இத modulus கண்டுபிடிச்சா you will get a square plus b square. இதோட modulus கண்டுபிடிச்சா you will get c square plus d square. Okay, so all you have to know is this one thing. Z1 times Z2, product of two complex numbers inside a modulus, can be written as mod Z1 times mod Z2. Division ku eppadi applicable o adhe mari multiplication ku applicable. Okay, so simple. So taking modulus on both sides. ரெண்டு சைடும் மாடுலஸ் எடுத்தா என்ன ஆகும்? mod of a plus ib times c plus id times e plus if times g plus ih equals mod of a plus ib. So இப்போ இத வந்து எப்படி எழுதலாம்? mod of z1 z2 is mod செப்பரேட் பண்ணலாம். அப்ப இங்கேயும் modulus செப்பரேட் பண்ணி எழுதிடலாம். So I have mod of a plus ib times c plus id times e plus if times g plus ih. இதெல்லாம் மாடுலஸ்ல இண்டிவிஜுவல் டேர்ம்ஸா இருக்கு. is equal to modulus of a plus ib. So இப்போ மாடுலஸ் என்னது? mod of a plus ib is nothing but root of a square plus b square. c plus d என்னது? root of c square plus b square. இது என்னது? e square plus f square. What is this? g square plus h square equals a square plus b square. இப்போ square root குள்ளேயும் terms இருந்ததுன்னா என்ன பண்ணலாம்? If you have root of ab, you can split it as root a into root b. Root a into root b இருந்ததுன்னா you can write them in one square root. So I have square root of a square plus b square times c square plus d square times e square plus f square times g square plus h square equals a square plus b square, square root. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides panna, the square root goes off. I get what is needed. Hence proved. HP. Hence proved. Question number 20. If 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I to the power m equals 1. Then find the least possible integral value of m. m என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்றாங்க. அவ்வளவுதான், வேற எதுவும் இல்லை. So first I denominatorல இருக்கு. So you need to find the conjugate. So first step என்ன, bracket மறந்துருங்க. So 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I times conjugate கண்டுபிடிச்சா 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I. Put a bracket. Always. Okay? Equals a plus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab divided by a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So 1 minus 1 minus 2i divided by 1 plus 1, which is 1 minus 1 poidum. I have minus 2i divided by 2, which is minus I. This is what I get. So this is a plus b the whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, please change it. So I have plus I. So this term. So I have 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I to the power m equals 1, which is, what is this term? I. So I to the power m equals 1. I to the power what is 1? I to the power 4 இருக்கலாம், I to the power 8 இருக்கலாம், I to the power 12 இருக்கலாம். So basically multiples of 4. So I to the power 4k equals 1. Okay, so 1 can also be written as, okay, let me write. I to the power 4k is 1. So which means this step is I to the power m equals I to the power 4k. So since the bases are same, m equals 4k, where k belongs to any integer. Okay, so this is my integral value of m, positive integral value of m. Okay, so with this we are done with miscellaneous examples and exercise questions of the chapter complex numbers. So do really well in your exams. இந்த questions-லாம் ரொம்ப helpful-ஆ இருக்கும். இந்த மாதிரி இன்னும் நிறைய exam questions-லாம் இருக்கு. I'll try to solve them. Okay, see you, bye.